Mr President, Commissioner. 2 weeks ago, it was announced that over 1,000 jobs at Tata Steel could be lost, the majority of them in Port Talbot and Trostre in my constituency in Wales. Losing these jobs would be a massive blow to the local and to the national economy. My party has been putting forward constructive and positive proposals to save the steel industry in Wales, but there has to be a long-term future. And that means a speedy and a thorough investigation of Chinese dumping and urgent action on tariffs on Chinese steel. Thousands of tonnes of steel are imported into the EU every week, undercutting Welsh produce and threatening thousands of jobs, and I know that other countries suffer in the same way. Market economy status would make it nigh on impossible to impose tariffs on Chinese steel, despite our problems, and that's why I am strongly opposed to it. Thank you.